Namaste, welcome to Sresrekha's kitchen. Today I am making delicious coconut rice. It is so simple to make. To make coconut rice, I cooked 1 cup of basmati rice. After cooking, I spread the rice in a plate to cool down. I used 1.5 cups of water to cook 1 cup of rice. I also have 1 cup of grated coconut. Here I am using frozen grated coconut, but you can use fresh grated coconut. I heated 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. When the ghee is melted, add 1 tablespoon of oil. If you don't want to use the ghee, you can just use 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 to 3 green chilies. Keep stirring it. Add a handful of cashew nuts. Add 2 to 3 red chilies. You can use 2 more red chilies if you want, but I like the coconut rice to be little mild, not too hot. Add a pinch of hing. Add some curry leaves. And then add the coconut. Fry the coconut a little bit. You can add a little bit of turmeric if you want, but I did not add because I want my rice to look nice and white. Fry the coconut until you have a nice aroma. Then add the rice and mix it well. If you haven't visited my Telugu channel, please do visit Sresrekha's Kitchen and Crafts and please try those recipes also. This is one of the easy recipes for festivals, and of course you can make this with your leftover rice and take it for your lunch box. What an easy recipe, isn't it? Add enough salt for the rice and mix it well. Add another tablespoon of ghee and mix it well. It tastes really good, but it is optional, of course. Finish it up with some cilantro. And here is the delicious and beautiful coconut rice ready. If you like the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I really want all of you to give me your feedback. Please don't forget to like my Facebook page. I'm also on WhatsApp, so please follow my WhatsApp channel so that it is easier for you to share my recipes with your family and friends. Thanks again all of you. We will meet in my next video. Until then, happy cooking.